Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new weekly trading ideas video. Just a quick note before we jump into the charts. I'm currently running a special Halloween sale on my website. So if you go to my website, which is trader-dale.com, and click this button which says trading course and tools, then it will take you straight to this special page where you can get my best educational and indicator packs massively discounted. It is the volume profile pack, which will teach you everything about volume profile trading, order flow pack focusing on day trading with order flow, and VWAP pack which focuses on VWAP trading. There's also a very special deal at the bottom of this page, and in here you can get all the three packs together for a massively discounted price of $5.97, which is until the end of this month. Alright, so that's for this special Halloween sale, and let me now switch to the charts and talk about the trading ideas. So, what you see before you, this is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. This is chart of the ES, which is futures of the Standards and Poor's Index 500. This is a 30-minute time frame, and what I want to show you here is this support, this one. It is at 58.06. Now, if you look just at the price action here, it doesn't really show any support, right? It doesn't really tell you that this could be an interesting level to trade from, but it's sort of a combo here. The first thing is, if you look at the volumes, then we have a heavy volume zone here. Not particularly strong, but when you combine it with a price action setup, which is in here, with other confluences, then this level becomes way stronger than it appears just on the volume profile. So the first thing is this bump on the volume profile. Then, if you look in here and in here, the price was very nicely reacting to this level in the past. That means that it was a resistance in the past, right? Because of those two reactions. The price then went upwards and blew past that resistance, and that turned this resistance into a new support. And this is a thing that massively adds strength to that volume-based level, because if this level was based just on those volumes, it wouldn't really be that strong, but since there is this confluence, it became way stronger. Also, let me zoom this in a bit so you can see it better. There's fair value gap. On Friday I published a video where I explained it, so you can watch the video. It's on YouTube or on my website in the videos section. This is the fair value gap highlighted in green, and the level is at the beginning of that fair value gap. The fair value gap, that's a concept from smart money trading, and I like to use this together with my volume profile setups. Alright, so that's the reasoning for this long level. What we need to do now is just wait for the pullback, and when the price comes to this level, we can take it from here. Ideally, if you guys have order flow software, you can use the order flow software to confirm your trade entry and improve your trade exits. So that's for the ES. Let's now go for the next trading idea. The next one will be a level on the US dollar Japanese yen. So this is the US dollar Japanese yen. As you can see, in the last week there wasn't really that much to trade because there was a rotation, but before that there was this very strong and aggressive buying activity caused by macro news, and before that there was a heavy volume zone. Let me zoom this in a bit and so you can see it better. Those are the heavy volumes which I'm talking about, and from this heavy volume zone the price soared upwards. So this is a place where buyers were active, building up their long positions before pushing the price higher. Now this is a bit similar to the previous case on the ES, where the volumes are not super heavy here, but in this case we have this huge fair value gap that massively adds strength to that level, right? This whole green zone, that's the fair value gap, and I like to trade from the beginning of the fair value gap, which is here, exactly our level at 146.63. So if it was just the volumes, I wouldn't trade this, but because there is this fair value gap, then this makes this level way stronger. All right, it's always about the confluences or the combos that make strong levels. So that's for the US dollar Japanese yen. And let's go for the next trading idea, and the next one will be on the US dollar Swiss franc. So this is the US dollar Swiss franc, and in here we have a very similar scenario as on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we have here is this fair value gap, and at the beginning of that fair value gap is here, this black line, and it is at 0.8521. Now, also, we have a heavy volume zone here. Heavy volume zone at the beginning of a strong buying activity, right? This is the heavy volume zone. This is the strong buying activity. So those volumes are telling us about strong buyers accumulating the long positions before pushing the price higher. You can actually look at this zone like this, like from the beginning of that day, right? So in this rotation and in this rotation, those heavy volumes were formed, then this strong buying activity. So this is telling us of strong buyers who are accumulating the long positions here, and those buyers are likely to defend this place. So we just need to wait for a pullback, and when it occurs, then take it from there, because chances are that buyers from here who pushed the price aggressively before will become active again at this place, which is clearly important for them, and they'll want to push the price up first from there again. Now, before I wrap the video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators for TradingView platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of custom-made indicators. So that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!